If you're an SMMA owner, I get this question a lot when people are doing cold outreach. How many outreaches should you do per day and how many can you actually do? And I'm gonna go over all the possibilities with no money and some of the possibilities with money so that you can understand how to probably get more touch points with money. So like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So if you're doing outreaches, and this could be Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, cold outreach with Loom videos, emails, whatever the case may be, how many outreaches can you actually do per day? And the answer is as many as you fucking want. And I know that's probably not what you guys wanted to hear, but it's actually that simple. The reason why I get this question is because agency owners are looking for the bare minimum to do. They're like, okay, how many should I do? If I tell them 200, they're probably only gonna do 100. But if you tell them 30, they're probably only gonna do 10. So it's like, you want to give them the highest number possible. Do as many as you possibly can until you literally can't fucking sit in your chair anymore. And that is my honestly true advice. And I know I'm being very blunt in this video, but if you want to get more clients, you have to have more touch points. You don't have the money to spend on ads. You got to be doing more outreach. So here are some ways you can be doing more outreaches per day on autopilot. So number one is building more custom-based messages through Instagram. So Instagram allows you to send, I think, 50 DMs a day. So 50 outreaches we have right there. Instagram, 50. Facebook Messenger, we can do another 50. I think they actually let you do over 100 there. On top of that, you can go into Facebook groups, into more targeted Facebook groups where you know your ideal avatar is, and you can do 50 to 100 a day. So there's 150. The next one is emails. Emails are gonna probably take you longer if you're doing cold email blasts. You're gonna have to churn and burn more email domains. You could use Lemlist. Now Lemlist, I was able to send 5,000 emails a day. So realistically, you could do about 5,000 outreaches a day if you really wanted to, and you would buy those email lists from like Fiverr. I would get a lot of data scrapping from Fiverr, and I would say, hey, listen, I need an email list of all of the painting contractors in America, all the painting companies in America. I need their email list. And there'd be like 30-something thousand people, and I would get them in a Lem list, and only like 5,000 would be able to be sent because the other ones are just either spam, they're fake, or they have blockers on them, or whatever the company uses. So only about 5,000 of them were actually sendable. Also, when you do cold emails, there's only a certain amount that can go out. That's called smart sending. So smart sending is what email platforms now have, so that they can't just let you just cold blast email 30,000 people in 5 minutes. It's gonna smart send it over X amount of days, or smart send it over the next 24 hours. So technically you could have 30,000 outreaches, but we're gonna be conservative and say 5,000. We have most of the raw ones, the organic ones that are Instagram, Facebook. You could do Looms, right? You can go and Instagram DM people a Loom, or you can just personally email them this Loom, and you can find their email on their website, right? If you're, on Yelp and you're finding businesses in your area and you're like, hey, I'm gonna shoot a Loom. So you shoot a Loom video, go over their strategy, go over their ads, look at their ad library on Facebook, you go over the website, show them how they can refine their offer, you send it to them. Like, that's one outreach. And there's only so many you can do a day, without spending money and paying VAs. Now, VAs allow you to get an extra 50 on Instagram, an extra 50 on Facebook, an extra who knows how many with email, right? So the more you pay for a VA who's a cold outreach VA, like, obviously you can double your results in this video. The other thing you should really keep in mind is that when you're doing cold outreach, I think personally the biggest thing that I've seen is, like, yes, you could do LinkedIn. LinkedIn's very good as well. You could do another 50 a day through LinkedIn. But I really haven't seen much success myself with LinkedIn, just because I think the offer that I'm pushing is not the sexiest. Or maybe I'm just not doing it correctly, but I find more satisfaction in paid ads, which is what we run most of the time. But if you want to get 5,000 reaches a day, outreaches a day, that's what's gonna be your best bet. So we have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have personal emails with Loom videos, and then we have cold email blasts using Lemlist, and then buying those email lists from Fiverr, and you can churn one every single day, right? You can buy an email list from Fiverr that has 3,000, 5,000 people on it for 30, 40 bucks. If you do that every single day, that's $1,200 a month. And that's also what? How many emails? You get 5,000 emails a day. That's 150,000 outreaches a month for less than $1,200. So think about, cost efficiency. Think about how many outreach you can actually get, because I'm telling you right now, it's actually very cost efficient to, do those cold email blasts and, turning and burning domains. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're an SMA owner and you want more videos just like this, but also on paid ads and how I'm able to book 30 plus sales calls a day, there's also a video on that. If you go check out the channel and subscribe for more videos like this. And I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to